Going for a short run today, just down the lane towards Killavullen. So one of the interesting things here is that there's a disused train track that runs from, I don't know, several miles that way to several miles that way. When I had a look at the viaduct when I was first here, but there's also a railway bridge down that way, which I think I can get up onto. So take a little run along the roads. I don't know how far it is, I think it's about a mile out, and then see if I can get up on the railway bridge and see what's up there. And then I don't think I'll be able to follow the line. You can see it on the map, and you can see the hedgerows where they're a dead straight line, but I don't think I'll be able to get up. I don't think I'll be able to follow the line any. But it gives me something to do, doesn't it? Another lovely evening for it. First time I ran down this road in this direction was I think my second or third day here, something like that, so almost a month ago now. And it seemed to take forever. The road seems to be miles and miles long. I think obviously I've driven it every day since then, but I've just run down it now and it's about a mile and a quarter, something like that, mile and a half, but it's over. Took a few minutes, felt like a few minutes. Probably about 12, I don't know. Be interested on the way back, because the only time I've run that way down this road was at 10 o'clock at night, having hiked 16 miles through those hills over there, and believe me, it felt long and dark then. That hedgerow over there, that's dead straight and flat, that's the old line of the railway. So sort of down that way is the bridge I'm going to, and because I'm still a child I'm going to climb it, and if somebody tells me not to. So better get onto the N72. It's a busy old road. It's about 4 miles that way to Castletown Roach. It's about 8 miles, I want to say about 8 miles that way to Mallow. I'm not going to Mallow, I'm just going down to the turn off for Killavullen. Coming up on the disused railway bridge. And that's where I want to go. I want to see what's up there. There's been talk of opening up to a sort of one of these aerial walkway, garden park type things. The path there, I thought I was going to have to go up the dodgy way. Oh well, looks like I am. Nothing here. Ooh. Oh. 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 Something just went twang in my calf. Oh fuck. Oh. I'm hoping it was just a bit of cramp. I'm going to get over to a bit more space where I can hopefully stretch it out without having to run across roads. But I don't think I'm going to. Oh, that hurts. Ooh. Honestly, that felt like I'd been shot in the calf then. I think I'm going to have to hobble back. Oh. So on this video, probably less than a minute or two ago, I was remarking on how long that road seemed the first time I ran down it in each direction, and how much shorter it felt now. I think it's going to feel a lot longer this time. I'm actually hoping that walking like this is going to stretch the muscle out a bit. It has eased up a little bit from when it happened. Literally just stepping off the grass there. As I was just stepping off the grass there, oh, you bugger. Felt like I'd been shot in the calf. That's the only way I can describe it. And I couldn't really move it at all. Whereas now, at least I am. Managing to move forward. Probably going to take me about an hour to get home. Oh, it is what it is, eh? I'm not going to lie, this hurts. I don't know what damage, if any, I've done, whether it's just knotted up or whether I've pulled it. It felt like I'd been hit by something in the grass, to be honest. It felt like something had sprung up out of the grass and hit me right in the back of the calf. It didn't, obviously. I checked just in case I had stepped on something. I don't think I've pulled the muscle because it is easing up a little bit. I can take small steps and I can put weight on the right leg now, as long as I don't roll onto the ball of my foot like that by accident. This road does seem much longer now, and it's taken me about 45 minutes to get here. I'm still about, I don't know, 500 metres that way. Hopefully it won't take too long. I think the plan is to run a hot bath, give it a soak, see where I'm in the morning. I did roll. Yeah. ever hold my trouser leg up to make sure it wasn't something hit, because if something hit me on the outside I think it would have been bruised. No, it's definitely on the inside. And unfortunately I was just under 2 miles out, which means I've hobbled 2 miles, well I will have hobbled nearly 2 miles back. Oh, doesn't help, this is a very narrow road. So I have to listen very carefully for cars and then slowly climb into the edge of the road if I hear one. I don't think I'm too far off now. That one's behind me, I'm not too worried about him. Oh, I must admit, I'll let him go past. I think if I was driving down this road and I saw somebody limping, I'd probably stop and see if they were okay. Ooh. Still, as I keep saying, lovely evening for it. And I don't think I'm too far now.